The VEVOR 32 Note Glockenspiel Set offers a wide, clearly labeled range that suits both beginners learning note positions and more advanced players working on melodic exercises. Its aluminum bars are carefully tuned and finished, so the instrument produces a bright, focused tone that cuts through ensembles without sounding harsh. The electroplated stand feels solid and stable, with height and angle adjustments that make it easy to find a comfortable playing position for different ages. A compact practice pad, included drumsticks, and multiple mallets turn this into a complete starter kit that supports both rhythmic training and melodic work. The thick, reinforced carrying bag with backpack straps makes it practical to transport the entire setup between home, school, and rehearsals while keeping everything protected. Because it is durable, portable, and equipped with a separate music stand and clamps, this kit works well for school bands, private lessons, and casual home practice alike.